Good day, everyone. My name is Dana, and today we're going to make an affirmation rainbow heart waterfall card. Now, first we're going to start with a 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter piece of paper. We're going to draw hearts. I already outlined it, and then we're going to cut it out. Okay. I forgot to mention that the materials that we will need are construction paper, a pencil, and glue. So I went ahead and did 7 of these hearts. So feel free to choose whichever color you would like. So we're going to put those aside and we're going to get a 7 centimeter by 29 centimeter piece of paper, 7 centimeter, 29 centimeter here. So we're just going to mark a spot on the paper. You take your heart that you would have drawn out, you mark the top here. Taking a ruler, you would draw a line. Excellent. Then after, you're going to start drawing about 6 centimeter points on the paper. Let's get it good here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you should have 7 lines. So we're gonna go ahead and draw those. Forgive me if my lines are bent. Excellent. Great. Okay, so you're supposed to have 7 1 centimeter lines. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Now we're just going to fold those lines here just to crease it. Excellent. Excellent. So now you're going to take some glue. Actually, you're going to actually put the heart right here. And you're going to make a mark. So you just want to put it just to know where exactly you're going to be placing your hearts. Just so you can get an average. This step can be you don't necessarily need to do this step, but oops, just so you can get an average. Okay, so we're gonna take some glue now and we're going to dash a little bit here, and you're gonna start sticking your hearts. Now I know I call this a rainbow waterfall, and you're only gonna see me use 3 colors. You can actually use whatever colors you want. Just a little dash. After you had placed your 2 centimeter by 12 centimeter paper, is actually when you pull it, it's supposed to go like this. and you can write whatever little affirmations you would want. So after you've completed your affirmations are kind words that you tell yourself. So after, it's your craft is supposed to look something like this.